In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay credit card bill with PayPal 2025. Let's start with a quick reality check so you know exactly what to expect. You normally cannot pay your credit card bill directly with PayPal. Most credit card issuers don't accept PayPal as a direct payment method, so you can't just log into PayPal and send a payment straight to your card company. The reliable way to do it is to move your PayPal balance to your bank account first and then make your credit card payment from that bank balance. Here's how that works in practice. Open the PayPal app or go to the website and sign in. Head to your wallet, then look for the option labeled Transfer Money or Withdraw. Choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you want to move, and confirm the transfer. If you haven't linked a bank before, make sure it's added and verified in PayPal first. Verification can involve small test deposits, so plan a little extra time if it's your first setup. Transfers come in two flavors. Standard transfers are usually free and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of business days, depending on your bank and the time of day. Instant transfers can arrive within minutes, but they typically include a small fee and may have limits. If you're working up against a due date, check PayPal's estimated arrival time before confirming. A good tip is to move the money a day or two early to give yourself a buffer. Once the funds land in your bank account, switch over to your credit card's website or mobile app. Sign in, go to the payment section, and choose to pay from your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to pay, at least the minimum due to avoid late fees, and select either a same-day payment or schedule it for the due date. Keep an eye on your card issuer's cutoff time. Payments submitted after that time may post the next business day. After you confirm, save the confirmation details so you can track everything easily. You'll see the payment reflected on your credit card account once it processes, and the money will already be in place because you moved it from PayPal ahead of time. To recap the workflow you'll use each time: transfer your PayPal balance to your bank, then pay your credit card from that bank balance. It's simple, dependable, and it's the method most people use when they want to fund a credit card payment with money sitting in PayPal.